Hello everyone, I'm Black Marvin and today I am unboxing Distructor. So it's very simple. Yesterday I had one of my students sending me a message, and it's the typical showcase from Image Line where they showcase the latest update from FL Studio. So I start to listen, and there's cool bunch of cool features, and at some point they showed Destructor, and as a I'm gonna say, like, as a psytrance producer, but because that's my perspective, but I'm sure it will be very useful in many styles of music. But as a psytrance producer, I'm looking at this and I'm like, because there's two well, there's lots of interesting modules here, but there's two main modules that really interest me, and it's filter and distortion. Because if you want to know the recipe for acid sounds, it's filtering with a high amount of resonance, and then the destruction. Yeah, destruction, distortion after that. Like I said, I'm unboxing it, so, and it's the first time I installed the update yesterday. I have not opened FL Studio yet. I did a little setup here. It's a little Midi Arpeggiator, and I'm gonna run, like, so we can preview really what it does. I'm gonna run a saw wave from Serum through it. All right. So this is what it sounds. Very simple. Okay. And so let's turn on Destructor. All right. So these are the module, and I think I've seen they are. Can I swap them around? Yes. All right. So, but yeah, I'm gonna focus mainly on filter and distortion at the moment, and you always want to put filter before. So, and what I want to see is, can I make something good quick? Can I make something good fast with that? So I'm gonna go for the I'm looking for a band pass. All right, band pass, lots of resonance. It's just that it's really good. What I've seen is we have all these different algorithm that all come from Image Line. So let's see, if I just stick with the Armor Classic, what can I get? Yeah, okay, I'm gonna try other parameters. I don't like this one. It's too guitarish. We've tested this one. I like this band pass better, because what I'm looking for is grains, like high frequency grains. Let's see if I get this down an octave. Whoosh. I'm just gonna run through all the armor real quick. Just go through. All right. Well, I have the grains I'm looking for in the high frequencies. So let's see with the chorus. chorus is one parameter that you might want to dial down a bit on the mix knob, but it's really great that they added mix knob on each one of these. It's really cool. Now let's check out the speaker. Yeah, this sounds a bit more guitarish, but just a bit of mix on the cabinet is interesting. There's also a stereo separation knob that works the same way that this one does, right here. So on the right it's merged, and on the left it's separated. Producer, I'm always looking for saturation device, distortion. I'm using a lot Saturator since almost a year now, but this one is going to be a nice quick solve for me, and there's so many filters that I didn't check yet. So that's it for this unboxing of Distructor. Let me know if you want a video that goes more in depth about this one, but to me it already showed that it is a really good plugin because I was able to achieve something good quickly. And that is important. Sometimes you don't want to get lost in a multitude of options and parameters and like crazy depth with crazy thing you can do, but it takes crazy time too. This is effective. This is simple but effective, and I like it. Thank you, ImageLine. The Psytrance producer in me really has gratitude for that. Let me know in the comments if you think you're gonna use this one in your production now. I know I am. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you like the video for more content like this by myself or other Ghost Act producers. I will see you in another video. Cheers.